Today we are going to see about the rest of the fair note writing. Okay, already we finished up to the present tense past tense, isn't it? So, first of all, you write the today's date 30/3/21 and write today's date 21. Okay, and the sixth Rome letter, make a sentence. Pleased. And what is the meaning of pleased? Yes, happy. Happy, no? So, you should write the sentence of I was pleased to see him. நான் அவனை பார்த்தபோது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தேன். So, you should say, write in your own idea in different sentence. Okay. So, I was pleased to see him. And the second one, forget. Forget. I didn't forget anything. நான் எதையுமே மறக்க மாட்டேன். And otherwise you should write I forget to write the maths homework. I forget to put the box. So likewise you should write any sentence. I didn't forget anything. And the next one, tonight. Tonight. And what is the meaning of tonight? The same night, isn't it? So tonight I will go to cinema. And today only I want tonight I want to sleep a long time. Likewise you should write a different sentence. Tonight I will go to cinema. So இன்னைக்கு நைட்டு நான் சினிமாக்கு போகிறேன். That is the meaning of tonight I will go to cinema. And the next one, the seventh Rome letter, answer the following. Answer the following. And where were the Judy's parents? Where were Judy's parents? Where? Yes. Yes, they are gone out, isn't it? Yes, Judy's parents had gone out. Judy's parents had gone out. Judy's parents had gone out. And D-U-D-I, Judy, and apostrophe, comma, and also, and after that you should write the yes. And what message did the man give Judy? What message did the man give Judy? M-E-S-S-A-G-E. What message did the man give Judy? So, Judyக்கு அந்த மேன் வந்து என்ன மெசேஜ் கொடுத்தாரு? எஸ், மிஸ்டர் தாமஸ் உல்ஃப் வந்து அவரை வந்து ஈவினிங் வந்து விசிட் பண்ணதுக்கு வர்றாரு, இஸ்ன்ட் இட்? அதை தான் அது சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. அந்த மெசேஜ் தான் டியூடிகிட்ட சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. The man told Judy that Mr. Thomas Wolfe would be visiting his father in the evening. Would be visiting, வரப்போகிறாங்க, இனிமேல் தான் வரப்போகிறாங்க. Would be visiting his father in the evening. Okay, and the third question, why did Judy draw a wolf in a forest? Why did Judy draw a wolf in a forest? And here did come, no, so you should the did and draw together, drew, the past tense. Judy drew a wolf in a forest because the man's last name was Wolf. Judy drew, அவன் என்ன வரைஞ்சான்? A wolf in the forest because the man's last name was Wolf. So ஏன் உல்ஃபை வரைஞ்சான்னா அந்த மேனுடைய லாஸ்ட் நேம் வந்து உல்ஃப். ஸோ தட் ஒன்லி he drew the wolf. A wolf in a forest because the man's last name was Wolf. Okay students, up to this is the last lesson for this term. That's all the lessons we finished. So in this lesson only 3 questions only there. Okay, and you should finish today the assignment work 6th Rome letter as well as 7th Rome letter in the 3rd term 5 subject note. Okay students, and after finishing each question answer, draw a line, write very neatly. Students, all of it take down English book 84th, turn the 84th page and see the B exercise. Tick the correct answers. Who was at home and when the phone rang the second time? And who was at the home? Yes, Doody, his parents? No one. Yes, Doody is in the home, isn't it? Why did Doody draw a wolf in a forest? And because the man would visit Doody's father in the evening, because the man's last name was Wolf, because the man's first name was Thomas. Yes, why did he drew the wolf? Yes, the second one, because the last name was Wolf, isn't it? And now all of you turn the page number 86. In that 86 and one grammar portion is there, gender words. Already we seen the gender words in our grammar book, no? Isn't it? Yes. Yes, what are the genders? Masculine, feminine. We studied masculine, feminine words. What is masculine? And who are boys? Who are male characters? So that are masculine. And female. Female means and lady, girl. Okay. And these are feminine. And here father masculine, mother feminine. Boy masculine, mother, girl feminine. Brother masculine, sister feminine. Man masculine, woman feminine. Yes. And which are having not, and those are girl, that is feminine. Those are boy, masculine. Okay. And aunt, grandfather, daughter, uncle, wife, son, grandmother, husband, nephew, niece. Okay. And see, here two boxes are there. You have to pick out which are the words are masculine, which are the words are feminine. Okay. And first of all, say the answer. After that, we should write. Aunt is the feminine. Grandfather, masculine. Daughter is the girl name. So feminine. Uncle, boy. So we should write in the masculine box. And wife, feminine. Son, masculine. Grandmother, feminine. Husband, masculine. Nephew means marumagan. Nephew marumagan. So it is in the masculine. Niece na marumahal. So it is in the feminine. And students, see, then answers are written. Answers written. So you should see and write. And the next page here. Listen to a message from Judy's grandmother. Imagine you, and this is listening from the in a smart board. Some if it is in the school means we should say, listen from the smart board, isn't it? That time only we should write here some answers. And the next one, the next day Judy talked to a friend and about what he did. Complete these sentences with the words and phrases in the box. And some phrases answers are there. You should pick out which are the answers are correct in the dash. Surprised, left a message, called, drew a picture, rang, 70th, write down, at home, dentist, without. And yesterday was alone at home. Already we finished this one, isn't it? So this is finished. The phone. And what is the answer of this one? Yes, the phone always rang, no? And you should write rang. A woman, dash. A woman called for my mother. A woman called for my mother. And she, and we finish the call and here. And she does. Surprise, left a message, 70th, write down, drew a picture, dentist, without. And in that answer, yes, she left a message. She left a message. Okay, this answer also we finished, isn't it? And it was about mother's appointment with the dash. Surprise, 17th, write down, drew a picture, dentist without. Yes, dentist, isn't it? So with the appointment for dentist. So dentist also we finished. I could not dash. So இது எனக்கு வரைய தெரியல. Drew a picture. And drew a picture also we finished. So I dash. So I drew 7 teeth. 7 teeth. 7 teeth also we finished. I drew a woman with her mouth open and dash. And surprise, write down without. So here open and without inside, isn't it? And the last one, dash or any mistakes. And here and the 9th one is only without. And sorry students, this is a write down. I write down. That is a mistake. I write down. I drew and open with the 7 teeth. Not here without. 7 teeth. And here also without. And so she was very surprised. In the first one, rang, called, left a message, dentist, drew a picture, write down, 7 teeth without surprise. Okay, students? Students, already we studied what is present tense. What is present tense? Yes, present tense now happen, isn't it? Now happens. And past tense already we finished happen action. Now happens action and finished action means past tense. And here present tense, some habits we use the present tense. Some action do every day. Some action do every day, that is also use present tense. And some actions we do often, அடிக்கடி நம்ம செஞ்சிட்டே இருப்போம், that is that also we use the present tense. And truth, some other actions are truth sentence, no, and truth action, that is we use the present tense. Okay, an example, habit, I drink milk in the morning, and this is habit for somebody, isn't it? So I drink milk in the morning. So here the verb is drink and it is present tense. And do every day, I go to school by bus. Every day I go to school by bus. So this is everyday action. So we use the present tense, that is go. Go is the verb, this is present tense, isn't it? And here drink is the verb and this is present tense. We written in the present tense. And do often, some actions we do oftenly. So that is we sleep early. So early, so that is sometimes we sleep early. So that is often. So here the verb is sleep. Sleep is present tense. And truth, the sun rises in the east. Yes, always the sun rises in the east, no. So we should use the present tense. So this is rises. Rises is the present tense. And next one, and we use, what are the pronoun? Which are the having the pronoun he, she, it? These are pronouns. Already we studied, no? And if it is boy means we use the he. If it is girl means we use she. If it is non-living thing and animals, birds, we use it. And these pronoun, you should write the verb plus yes. That means play. Yes, plays. He plays, she plays, it plays. In these 3 pronoun only we should use yes. Another pronoun we did not use the Yes. Okay. I, we, you, they. And here these pronouns we don't use the yes. Just only write down the verb. That is play. I play, we play, you play, they play. Only which are the words, nouns are having these pronoun. He, she, it. In these nouns only we use the verb plus yes. That means some example. Sheila. Sheila is girl or boy? Yes, girl. So the pronoun is she. So we should write the verb plus yes, drinks. And money is the boy. So he, we use he, isn't it? The pronoun is he. So verb plus yes. So here verb and I'm adding yes. Because it is he, isn't it? Is he. It is she. And the dog bark. So here the dog is, the pronoun is it. So if it is it means you should write in the verb adding yes. Okay students, first of all you find out which is the what pronoun is having. So after that if it is he, she, it means you should write adding yes. If it is I, we, you, they and we don't add any yes. I sleep, we eat, you eat, they play. Just adding only the verb. But in the he, she, it pronoun, we should add yes. Drinks, plays, barks, sleeps. Likewise, you should write in the verb plus yes. Okay, students? Now all of you take down your book, page number 85. And here, and complete this sentence with verbs in the simple present tense. Reena reads the newspaper every day. Here every day is coming, isn't it? Every day means you should write the present tense. And Reena is the girl name, so she, isn't it? So we should add yes. Naveen dash his homework in the evening. So always he do the homework action in, isn't it? That means this is also everyday action. So do is in the present tense. It is now and pronoun of Naveen he, isn't it? So we use does. Yes. So here do means es. We should add es. Okay. And Adul dash football on Saturday. And oftenly he play football on Saturday. Oftenly it is often action. So that is play means Abdul means boy. So his pronoun is he. So he means you should write the verb plus yes, plays. And I. So I வந்து என்னமா செய்யணும்? And here I just only verb. And don't write any adding yes. So what is the verb given? Drink. And John. John is the verb, the pronoun for John, he. So he means we should write the verb and adding es. Yes or es. Go es. And some letter finished at O and you should adding es. Okay. And Gul and Gautam dash mangoes. Dash mangoes means here two names. And two names means plural form. So in the plural form we don't write the yes. Yes, we don't write the yes. Just only you should write verb only. If it is singular means Gautam only they written, you should write like yes, likes. Both name, two names are given. So you should use, don't write any as yes. Because plural form comes, don't use yes. Just only write the verb. Singular form you should write adding yes. And Vasant. Here Vasant. Vasant pronoun is he. So you should use the verb. And here also you should write es, watches. And read these sentences. Write about what Razia does on a Sunday. And listen here, we use they didn't write the noun, and they told write about what Razia does on a Sunday. And here the noun is Razia. So Razia gets up here little late in the morning. So here gets up. Okay. And the Razia means pronoun is she. So they use the get plus yes, gets up. Okay. And the next one, and don't write the again Razia. And when it is again Razia means you should use the pronoun for Razia. If it is boy name, we should use the he. If it is girl name, it is use the she. And she drink fruit juice. And she may, if it is come she, and we use the verb plus yes, drinks. Okay, so she drinks fruit juice. And the next page, she go to beach with the parents. We should use the she goes. She comes means you should use es in the verb. And collect shells, she, we use the she noun. And collect shells means she comes means we should use the yes in the verb. And the second also we use the she, and also sleep, sleeps. In the next one, she, we use the noun she because Razia is the girl. So we should use the pronoun of she. So and also the verb adding yes. Okay. And this is also your as today's assignment work. Write very neatly. And also students listen, and you should going to finish the 2 pages only in your grammar book. And page number 57 here, conjunction. Already we studied the conjunction, adding yeah, and in between 2 sentences we should add only and joining up 2 words and joining up 2 sentences we should add and. Okay, I'll teach some 3 sentences or 4 sentences, and you should write in your own way. My grandfather is kind, my grandfather is generous. So here you should use my grandfather is kind and generous. The old man sat in the chair. The old man fell asleep. Again the old man comes, so you should cut the old man. The old man sat on the chair and fell asleep. And you should write here. Don't cut and write. You should write in the full sentence in the dash. Okay. And it is a cool day. It is a wet day. And you should write. It is a cold and wet day. Okay. I got up early in the morning. Here you should write and. I got up early in the morning. I went for a walk. I got up early in the morning. And I went for a walk. Okay. And the next one, the doctor put machines on my wound. The nurse put the bandage on it. And here just only you should adding joining the 2 sentences with and. Okay, students. And she switched on the television. She watched her favorite program. And you should write just only adding the joining word of the conjunction word of and. Our dog is brave. Our dog is strong. Here again our dog words are come again. So you should cut. Take out the our dog. So our dog is brave and strong. You conjunct the 2 words here. I ate fruits. I ate vegetables. Here you should write I ate fruits and vegetables. And I came to my party. Harjeet came to my party. And both are come to my party. So you should write and I and Harjeet. You can join 2 words by the using of word conjunction word and join the two names only. Okay. And you should finish this page also. Here also you should use the and. You should write in your own way, correct method. Okay, students? In the page number 57 and also 58. This is also your assignment work. Thank you for watching.